Hi, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to navigate through Canvas in this video. So first, we're going to go back to osuit.edu. Then we're going to click on Academics. We're going to go down to Canvas. Which will bring you to your dashboard. You will select a course. This is Operations Management, it's one of my courses. This is the home page. Not every course will have a home page. This one does. If you'll notice the ribbon on the left, you have your home, the OSUIT syllabus, modules. This you will not be able to see, so I'm going to change it to student view. So this is what it looks like. You'll have a zoom option, course evaluations, grades, and your modules. My first advice to you is on your home page or on your dashboard, you'll see a to-do list for the course. My advice to you is do not follow this to-do list. You're not getting all the information here. My suggestion is to follow my module links here, or to go over here and click on modules, and it'll take you to the same place. The reason we like modules is because you will see this is all of week 1. On the home page, on this to-do list, all you see is this right here. So you don't have any of the information, so you're confused, you don't know where you learned about the assignment, all you have is the assignment. So if we go back to week 1, we're going to cover operations strategy, and the way I lay out my courses is I have them labeled resources and then assignments. That way you can easily identify what is a resource and what is an assignment for a grade. So these are your resources, and if you'll click on it, it's a page with the information. Because we don't have textbooks, I have pages of information based on the subject. So again, strategy and operations management. You can either go back to modules, or you can continue to go to the bottom and click on this next button. This will walk you through that list for week 1. So as you'll see, this is another page of information for this week. Here is another page for information this week with a diagram. Here is the last page for operations management. And here's the assignment. So this is locked until 12 a.m. So I will have to fix this. So it'll open tomorrow. But what I'm going to do is open this so you guys can see it. So this is my view. It says students must write a 2-page double-spaced 12-point font following MLA format paper answering these questions. So what you should do, it says the response to each question should roughly be 8 to 10 sentences per bullet prompt. That'll help you easily meet that 2-page category if you follow those guidelines. Just roughly 1 paragraph per answer will be great. So what you will do is I'm going to edit this real fast to make this available today so that I can show you guys how to do the assignment. So if I go back to student view, you don't worry about this. This is how it will view to you. You'll see it's due Sunday by 11:59. It's worth 100 points. You will upload a file. It's available until October 14th, and then it closes. So what you'll do is you will click Start Assignment. And whenever you will type this in a Word document, and then you will upload the file right here, and then you will click You Agree, and you will submit the assignment. That's what that looks like. You can go over here to Grades. We're going to leave this page, and it'll show you your grades. It'll show you your score out of this many points. It'll also, once you submit this assignment, you'll see a little paper icon show up right here. That's how you'll know you'll submitted it. If you didn't submit anything, this will continue to remain blank just like this. So that is how that assignment looks. This is a week 2 discussion. So I am going to go down to it, week 2. Took me right here to week 2. If I click on this discussion, I'm going to have to edit that one to open it for you guys real fast. That way I can show you how to do it. I go back into student view. Here is the discussion. So, describe a situation where perception biases have or could affect any of the POLC facets. Use an example you have experienced or observed, or if you do not have such an example, create a hypothetical situation. So here's what you'll do. You will go up here. And you will have a reply button. You will click on that reply button. I don't have it because I'm currently in student view and I don't have student access, so I don't have that reply button. But this is the prompt and you will reply to that prompt. The button's usually going to be down here. That's how you will do the discussions. So again, here's our home tab. Please try to ignore this to-do list over here. Here is each weekly module link, or you can go over here to the modules. You can click right here to go to the class syllabus. Please, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me via email and I will get you guys set up. I know you guys are going to do great. Good luck.